Hi friends, good morning. My name is Sandesh and I'll be starting my Spring Boot classes on my YouTube channel. So I'll start with some basic database setup and we will be learning little bit about in this session we will be learning more about uh, little bit about database, and in our next session we will be learning Spring with JDBC. So we will not be going in a very deep of MySQL database, because here our objective is to learn Spring Boot database, Spring Boot, not database. So we will learn MySQL database as much we require for our project. Okay, so you need to install your MySQL Server 5.5, or you can install MySQL 8. I'll tell there is some problem in our 8 MySQL database. If you guys want to go with MySQL 8, you can go, but I'll be, if you face any issues, you can comment me or you can ping me in your issue in our comment box, or you can send me a mail. So I am using M5.5. After installation, I'll be getting the screen like this. You need to search from all programs, you need to search for MySQL command line. Okay, then you need to enter on it, and it will ask for the password. It will ask the same password which is given while setting up this database. If you face any issue while setting up the database, because steps are simple to install database, but even though if you are facing any issues, you can ping me, or you can comment your error in my comment box. Okay, so I'll start with here entering my password. So now I'm connected with my database. Now I'll create my new database with command create database and your database name. Suppose Spring Boot. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake. That's why it is not taken. Database, right? At the end. Okay, so as per the error, it's saying can't create database Spring Boot database exists, means we already created database with the name Spring Boot. So we will go to create a Spring Boot 1. Yeah, here your database has been created, but after creating database you want to use this database, so the command is use your database name. So what is our database name? Our database name is Spring Boot 1. So now you are using your Spring Boot database. Inside MySQL Server you can create multiple database for your project, but which database has to be used for your project, that you need to define by this command use database name. Now I want to create a simple table for my customers. So table query I already written in my notepad. I just copy pasted from my notepad to here, so you can see the table has been created with name my customers. If you want to see the how many records are there inside this, you can run a command like select star from my customers. So as of now there is no record, so it is saying as empty set. In our next session we will be learning Spring with JDBC. Okay, that will, in that what we will do, we will connect this database and we will be inserting some records inside this database, and we will fetch those records from this database. Okay, for your any issues, any queries, you can comment in my comment box, or you can send me mail on my mail ID. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.